Welcome students to class 3 maths chapter 5 division session 5.1. Today we will do division as distribution and as repeated subtraction. Division as equal sharing or distribution. Now let us take an example here. Let us distribute 21 books to 7 students. So here we have a combination of blue, red and green books. We have a total of 7 blue books. Let us take these blue books and distribute. So these are the 7 students. We give 1 book to each of them. Now we will take the next set of books, that is the red ones, and give each one of them 1 red book. Then we take the green book and then everyone again has a green book too. So this finishes off all the 21 books. Now do you notice each student has 3 books. So which means when we write in terms of mathematics, 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 21 was the number of books, 7 is the number of students and 3 is books each student gets. Once again, I will repeat myself. What we had done, we had divided 21 books among 7 students and we got the result as each student will get 3 books. Now let us look at division as repeated subtraction. Example 24 divided by 6. So now we will subtract 6 from 24. When we subtract it one time, we get 18 and then we subtract it again. We will get 12 and then we again subtract 6. We'll get 6, then we again subtract 6 and we get 0. So actually we had to subtract 6 4 times to get 0. Which means 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. When we write it in terms of the division, we make the sign like this and we write 24 inside and 6 outside. Then when we divide 24 by 6, we see 6 goes 4 times. So we write 4 on top, subtract 24 from 24 and we get 0 as the remainder. Now in this equation, 6 is the divisor, 24 is called the dividend, 4 is called the quotient and 0 is called the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then we can write dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Dividend was 24. So 24 is equal to divisor is 6 and quotient is 4. So we will write 24 is equal to 6 into 4. Now this is known as the division fact and this is the multiplication fact. Now we are ready to do worksheet 5.1. Divide 20 stars into 4 groups. How many stars are there in each group? So you will make 4 groups and you will take 4 stars at a time, put them one in each group. Like this you will exhaust all 20 stars. Then you have to find out how many stars are there in one group. Question 2. Divide 32 flowers into 8 groups. How many flowers are there in each group? So here we have 32 flowers. You will make 8 groups and then from 32 you will take out batches of 8 and put them one in each group. In the end you will come to know how many flowers are there in one group. Question 3. Divide by repeated subtraction. 20 divided by 5. So here first place you'll write 20, then you'll subtract 5 and the answer you will write here. It will be 15. Like this you will continue. B part 32 divided by 8. You will again start with 32 here, subtract 8, write it here. Then again subtract 8 from this number, write it here. Like this you will complete this series and you will stop at the stage where you get 0. Fill in the placeholders. A part 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. This means dash pens distributed to dash girls. This is based on the concept of division as distribution. B part 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Means 2 is subtracted 7 times from dash. From which number are we subtracting 2 again and again? We have to write that number here. Now this is based on the concept of division as repeated subtraction. Solutions to worksheet 5.1. First question was divide 20 stars into 4 groups. How many stars are there in each group? So these are our 20 stars. I have written group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 4. We will take 4 stars at a time and put 1 in each group. Then next set of 4 stars and then again we'll put 1 in each group. Another set of 4 and we'll put them 1 in each group. Now we will take the next set of 4 stars and put them in the groups. Now the last set of 4 stars and then again we'll put them in the groups. Now you can see each group has the same number of stars, which is 5. Each group is having 5 stars. So we will write answer. Each group will have 5 stars. Question 2 was divide 32 flowers into 8 groups. How many flowers are there in each group? So we will first make 8 groups. Now we will take flowers in sets of 8 and put 1 flower in each group. Again another set of 8 and again we will put 1 flower in each group. We will take one more set of 8 flowers, put them in the groups. Now we are left with the last set of 8. We will take them and put 1 flower in each group. Now you can see each group is having the same number of flowers. Each group is having 4 flowers. So we will write answer 4 flowers in each group. Question 3. Divide by repeated subtraction. A part 20 divided by 5. So we have to here repeatedly subtract 5 from 20. First box we will write 20. Now we will subtract 5 from 20 and write it here. 15. Now we will subtract 5 from 15 and write it here. 10. Again we will subtract 5 and write the answer here, which is 5. Again we will subtract 5 from 5 and write it here. So finally we have got 0. We will stop. If you count the number of arrows, that is the number of times we have subtracted 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have subtracted 4 times. That means 20 divided by 5 is 4. Let us look at the B part. 32 divided by 8. We'll start by writing 32 here. Then we'll subtract 8 from 32. We get 24. We will write it here. Then we'll subtract 8 from 24. We get 16. We will write 16 in the next box. Then we'll subtract 8 from 16. We get 8. We write it in the next box. Then we subtract 8 from 8. We get 0. We write it in the last box. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4 because 4 times we have subtracted 8. Question 4. Fill in the placeholders. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4 means dash pens distributed to dash girls. Now in the question we have 24 divided by 6. That means 24 pens will be distributed to 6 girls and each girl will get 4 pens. Now the information about 4 we don't need to use it, but 24 pens are here distributed to 6 girls is what is meant by 24 divided by 6. So here we are using the concept of division as distribution. B part 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 means 2 is subtracted 7 times from dash. So here 14 divided by 2 in terms of repeated subtraction we will repeatedly subtract 2 from the number 14. So 14 will come here. 2 is subtracted 7 times from 14. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. I hope you enjoyed doing the worksheet as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Do like the video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.